Let us see the classification of rotation of molecule. There are four type of classification: linear, spherical, symmetric and asymmetric. Before this, before this seeing the classification of rotation of molecule, we start we know the simple physics, which is a linear momentum. We know linear momentum P is equal to mv. Linear momentum P is equal to mv. It is tells about the mass and velocity, and momentum will tells about the motion. Similarly, the rotational motion is also written is I is equal to mr square. Rotational momentum is also in which I is equal to mr square. This is called the moment of inertia, and it is important for our point. And r is, it is distance from center of gravity and particle. It is distance from center of gravity to particle. I is moment of inertia, and it can be, moment of inertia is a quantity expressing a body tendency to resist angular acceleration. It is also called amount of torque required to rotate body or accelerate the motion. So when moment of inertia is high, so required force is high and body will resist, and body required force is high, body will resist, and rotational motion is doing difficult. So it is important to see that the classification of the molecule moment of inertia is important. Let us see to the point. Classification of the rotation of molecule, they are classified in four ways: linear, spherical, symmetric, asymmetric. First we see the linear molecule. First we see the linear molecule. In this molecule, all the atoms are arranged in straight line, in such as hydrogen chloride or carbon oxysulfide OCS. The three direction of rotation may be taken as: A is about the bond axis, B is end over end rotation in the plane of the paper, and C is end over end rotation at right angle to the plane. So it is self-evident that the moment of B and C are the same. The moment of B and C are the same because it is end over end rotation, and C A is very small. An approximation, we may say that IA is equal to 0. A is very small. A is very small. So IA is equal to 0. Although it should be noted that this is the only approximation. Thus, for the linear molecules, we have written as IB is equal to IC and IA is equal to 0. Rotation about the principal axis has the smallest moment of inertia, and it is chosen as the axis. IB is equal to IC, IA is equal to 0. Second, we see the spherical molecules, spherical top. Consider molecules such as methane fluoride, where the three hydrogen atoms are bonded tetrahedrally to the carbon as shown. Let us see. This is C. This is H. CH3 to the carbon as shown below. As in the case of linear molecule, the end over end rotation end over end in and out of the plane of the paper are still identical, and we have IB is equal to IC. We have IB is equal to IC. The moment of let us see, this is the spherical molecule. When molecule has three momentum moment of inertia identical, it is called a spherical top. A simple example is tetrahedral molecule is CH4. We have IA is equal to IB is equal to IC because moment of inertia is identical. So in spherical molecules, IA is equal to IB is equal to IC. The axes are mutually perpendicular to each other. The axes are mutually perpendicular to each other. Linear molecule. In spherical molecule, the axes are mutually perpendicular to each other. Next we see the symmetric top molecule. In this there is a prolate symmetric top molecule or oblate symmetric top molecule. Let us see the prolate symmetric top molecule. The example is CH3CN SF3Cl. Let us see. Consider molecule such as methyl fluoride, where the three hydrogen atoms are bonded tetrahedrally. So tetrahedrally to the carbon as shown in below. Let us see. CH Cl. As in the case linear molecule, the end over end rotation in and out of the plane of the paper are still identical. We have IB is equal to IC. We have IB is equal to IC. IB is equal to IC. The moment of inertia about C and CN bond axis is now not negligible. However, because it involves the rotation of three comparatively massive hydrogen atom of axis, such as molecules spinning about the axis, can be imagined as a top, and hence name of the class we have the symmetric top. IB is equal to IC but not equal to IA. But in this, IB is equal to IC and greater than IC is greater than IA. Then the molecule is called as prolet symmetric top. Prolet symmetric top. Let us see. Rotation in this prolet symmetric top is rotation about the principal axis has the smallest moment of inertia. Hence chosen as the axis, and B and C axis are perpendicular to each other. So B and C are perpendicular to each other. So IB is equal to IC. And IB is equal to IC and greater than equal to IA. So it is the prolet symmetric top molecules. Let us see. The next is oblate symmetric top molecule. In oblate symmetric top molecules is principal axis has largest moment of inertia, and it chosen as a C axis. The A and B are mutually perpendicular to perpendicular axis. So IA is equal to IB, and which is less than equal to IA, and which is the less, because this distance is large, so which is less than equal to IA. So in this oblate symmetric top molecule is A and B. A and B are mutually perpendicular to each other and less than equal to IA. Next we see the asymmetric top molecules. Asymmetric top molecule. These molecule to which the majority of substance belongs to have all three moment of inertia is different. All three different. Example is H2O, C2H3, Cl, H2O2. The axis with smallest moment of inertia chosen as the A axis, and the axis which is largest moment of inertia chosen as the C axis. Example is H2O. It is a H. Second example is CH2 is equal to CHCl, which is equal to H into CH CHCl. Here IA not equal to IB not equal to IC, because moment of inertia is different, and IA is smaller than IB, IB is smaller than IC. IA not equal to IB, IB not equal to IC, because moment of inertia is different. Moment of inertia is different. For asymmetric top molecule, IA is not equal to IB, is not equal to IC. Okay, thank you. Tomorrow we will see the rotational spectra and diatomic molecules. Rotational spectra, diatomic molecules, the rigid diatomic molecules.